In this video, I'll guide you through how to log out a Gmail account from other devices on the mobile. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's go.
So here we are on our Gmail account. Let's say this Gmail account is logged in a previous device we used, or someone got access to the account and we want to remove this account from their device. This is what you should do. First of all, you click on the profile icon. Then you click on manage Google account. Then you scroll down to security and sign in. Then click on security and sign in. When it opens, you scroll down to your devices. All you need to do is click on manage all devices. Then wait for it to load. Then when it loads, you select the device you want to log the Gmail out from. So here we are picking the Samsung Galaxy S21. Then we input our password. Then after it loads, we click on sign out and sign out again. Then we click OK.